Hi friends, welcome to online channel Global English Grammar. In this video we are going to learn how to schedule and take attendance in Google Meet. Sharing your screen, sharing your presentation. So everything we are going to learn about Google Meet. First, sign in to your Gmail account. See, I have signed in to my channel, right? After signing into your account, here you will see the 9 buttons, right? The 9 buttons indicate Google Apps. Click here, you will get a number of products of Google. Go to calendar. Double click calendar. It is loading, the page is loading. In calendar only we have to schedule a class, right? Okay. For example, I'm going to schedule my class on 1st July, time 11:30 to 12:30. Okay. Class 6. Class 6 period 4. Fourth period. Okay. Period 4 science. For example, you can name it as a webinar, title of the webinar, national workshop, like anything. So this is an event. So don't choose reminder. This is an event. After typing here, click add Google Meet video conferencing. Once you click here, Google Meet ID is generated. This is not G Suite, so it allows only 100 participants. Now copy this. If you wish to add a description, you can add a description. Welcome to online class. This message like this you can add, or else you can insert any link. See here, can underline, italicize, bold. You can do like this. This is remove formatting. So I have done like this. Just we can choose save or else more options. When you click more options, you can send notification to emails of the participants. Guest, what are all the permissions you offer to the guests, the participants. Once you share the link, they should not modify the event, they should not invite others, right? So I disable all these options. Okay. Before 30 minutes, email notification will be sent to all the participants. Okay. So in description, see here, we can add any photos. I drive, recent, shared with me, or upload. These are all the options we have. Or else you can choose from Google, right? So anything if you have, you can add here. Right now I don't want to add any more images here. So simply I save. If you wish to change the date and time, you can change. If you have one day event, you choose one day event, or else whole day workshop if you conduct for the whole day, July 1 to July 1, or else you have weekend classes, alternative days. Like they are every weekday, Monday to Friday, if you have classes, every Monday to Friday, the same period if you are having, you can do like this, right? Or else you can choose the custom. Custom repeat every 1 week. See every 1 week, can choose this like this. It never ends. when the class ends on, for example, the class ends on September 30 or from July 1st to July 3rd. If it is 3 days, you have the same periods from 11:30 to 12:30. You can schedule like this. Okay, done. For 3 days, we have scheduled, right? Weekly and weekdays until June 3. Okay. Now I save here. This is for example, just I save here. For 3 days, we have scheduled on July 1st, July 2nd, and July 3rd for the same time, right? Okay. Now, see here, click the date, you will get the link. See the link. Now the link can be emailed. Add email name. Now type your message to the students. Fourth period online class. Dear students, I invite you all for fourth period online class. Subject science, right? So now you can send the invitation. You can send a copy to me since I have already added myself. So I remove. As I have chosen already send copy to me, I removed Global English Grammar at gmail.com. Now I have added only one email. Just send. Click send. This is Gmail notification. Right now we shall see whether we have received the mail. Yes, Global English Grammar mail is received, class 6 period 4 science. Go to, now students will be clicking on this link to join. So this is the board they are getting, right? Insist them to turn off their camera and a microphone and a camera. After turning off these two, they have to click ask to join. This is for students. Students should not click the present. Okay, this button should not be chosen. They have to click ask to join. See, once we click ask to join, we will get notification like this. You will join the call when someone lets you in. Now we shall see how to start the session. See, this is my calendar. Join with Google Meet. I go to join with Google. See here, I have also muted my audio and video. So I can turn on my microphone here. Since I am the host, just click join now. See here, my class schedule is named join now. My video is disabled. See, we get this message. We have to admit the student. Since I'm recording, I have microphone, I have disabled the audio microphone. So now I have to choose the present now button. Okay, present now button. Present now button, you will see. You will see here the present now button. So when you choose present now button, you will get three options: your entire screen, a window, or Chrome tab. Okay, your entire screen, whatever appears in your screen, you can show. See, click here and share. this option. Okay, stop sharing. Now go to again present now a window. A window will, when you click a window, it will be asking what are all the windows you have opened in your laptop, right? I'm going to open a PPT, a presentation only, right? I give full screen. You see, now we can start your presentation. See here, meet.google.com is sharing a window. Now you can present your PPT. Exercise for revision. Tick the correct answers. Question 1, question 2, question 3, 4, and fill in the blanks. See, this way we can present and explain each and every slide. I go back. Now click stop presenting. If you wish to provide live demo, I go to Google Calendar. See, now my Google Calendar page is there. I'm going to create another webinar on the same day, first 1:30 to 2:30 webinar, right? Add Google Meet video conferencing. So copy this, save. Now if you wish to copy, after copying directly you can share through your WhatsApp, Facebook, right? I'm going to send email educatech.tools. It's enough. Welcome to webinar. I'm showing you the live demo on sharing window. Okay. Email is sent. Now see, another intimation mail is received here from here. So meet.google.com I choose. In demo I have muted, camera is starting. So I have muted both video and audio, otherwise we will be having disturbances. Then again, as usual, ask to join. So this way we have to connect, right? Now I'm going to open parallelly the webinar meeting. So as already I am in a meeting, I cannot join here. Here already we have scheduled a meet for class 4. Already it is on. See there, already it is on. So now I am opening another meet. Join now. As I am the host, I join now. I can muted, otherwise we will be having disturbances. See, I had requested to join, so I receive, admit, right? So now you can present. You will see the number of participants who are all present here, participants and chat box, right? You have to click here, present now. As participant should not present, but the host shall present. I shall stop here, close the buttons. Right, now come to the screen. So this way you can, if you wish to give a live demo, right? If you wish to give a live demo, please open a new tab in your browser. Just click the new tab. See, you can give the live demo. Google. In Google, what can you visit? edmodo.com. You can go to the live demo like this. So in workshops on ICT tools, they do live demo like this only. Simply opening the new tab. So PPT presentation visa demo for creating Google Meet we discussed, and Edmodo. So this way we can explain how to create classes. So hi friends, I hope this will be highly useful for you. So all the very best. Schedule your classes, engage classes online, be the resource person for any online webinars, conferences, workshop,